This is the BISSELL ProHeat Revolution. This powerful deep cleaner removes dirt deep in the carpet fibres, leaving your floors looking, smelling and feeling like new. I'm going to show you how to assemble the ProHeat Revolution and get it ready to use. Let's get unpacking. In the box you'll find your ProHeat Revolution, your top handle, your carry handle, your cleaning tool to clean the front nozzle, a clean water tank, a storage bag containing the hose and 2 cleaning attachments, 3 bottles of cleaning formula and a measuring jug. I'm going to start by attaching the top handle. Just going to turn the machine round so that you can see. So I put this in here and it just clicks into place. Now I'm going to attach the carry handle, which simply clicks into place, either side. There we go. And as you can see here, there's a hole for a screw, and the screw is attached to the top of the handle. So I'm just going to take that off. And in order to attach this, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver. And then we simply screw that into place. Also on the back here, we have a very useful cable tidy. That just means that we can put the machine away nice and tidily in a small space. And then the last thing to do is to attach our clean water tank, which just slides on. And there we go, our ProHeat Revolution is ready to use.